Have you ever seen a motorcycle that takes off from the ground like a drone? Or one with wheels that seem to float with no center, no axle, nothing in the middle? Well, get ready, because what you're about to see is going to completely shatter the idea you have in your head of what a motorcycle is. Forget the classic two wheels. Here we're talking about machines that defy physics, that balance themselves, that roar like fighter jets, and that look like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. In this video, you're going to discover the 8 most insane motorcycles ever built, from a beast with a helicopter engine to a machine capable of transforming right before your eyes. And yes, all of these motorcycles really exist. Stay until the end, because number 1 is going to leave you completely speechless. Number 8. Lazareth LMV496. We start at the very top, with a machine that looks like a transformer escaped from a movie. The Lazareth LMV496 isn't just a motorcycle, it's literally a flying motorcycle. This French beast hides an absurd secret. In road mode, it roars thanks to a Maserati V8 engine putting out 470 horsepower, a savage amount of power capable of pinning you to your seat. But that's not all. You press a button, and its 4 wheels swing outward, revealing 4 JetCat jet turbines underneath. Within seconds, the motorcycle lifts off the ground and begins to float as if gravity had taken the day off. Built almost like a piece of jewelry, with a price tag of around 496,000 euros, it's one of the very few transformable flying motorcycles on the planet. The Lazareth LMV496 is proof that we're living in a future we once thought impossible. Any kid's dream come true, for whoever can afford it. Number 7. TMC Dumont. What if I told you there's a motorcycle with wheels that have no center, no axle, no spokes, nothing in the middle, just 2 giant rings that spin as if by magic? That's the TMC Dumont, and it's one of the most hypnotic machines you'll ever see. Behind this project is former Brazilian Formula 1 driver Tarso Marques, who decided to push a concept that seemed like science fiction to the extreme: hubless wheels. When you see it rolling in person, your brain literally short-circuits because it doesn't understand how it stays upright. Its design is minimalist, aggressive, and deeply futuristic, with an aesthetic that inevitably brings to mind the motorcycles from the movie Tron. It's the kind of machine that stops traffic just by showing up. Beyond the technology, the Dumont proves something powerful. That design can be just as revolutionary as mechanics. It doesn't need to fly or break speed records to leave your jaw on the floor. It just needs to defy what you thought was possible. Number 6. Dodge Tomahawk. Get ready, because now we're entering completely insane territory. The Dodge Tomahawk isn't a normal motorcycle. It's basically a sports car disguised as a motorcycle. Unveiled in 2003, this American beast hides the heart of a Dodge Viper inside, a massive 8.3-liter V10 engine producing around 500 horsepower. An absurd number for something that looks like a motorcycle. And here's the craziest part. Instead of 2 wheels, it has 4, paired so closely together that from a distance they look normal. That configuration allows it to lean into corners like a real motorcycle, even though underneath it's something else entirely. Dodge even claimed that, in theory, it could top 480 kilometers per hour. Of course, it was never actually proven, because doing so would basically be suicide. Only a few units were ever built, sold as genuine rolling works of art for over $500,000. The Tomahawk wasn't built to be ridden, it was built to take your breath away. Number 5. MTT Turbine Superbike. We reached the top 5 with a machine that doesn't run on a motorcycle engine, it runs on a helicopter engine. Just like that. The MTT Turbine Superbike is powered by a Rolls-Royce Allison turbine, the same type of engine that powers real aircraft. The result is mechanical madness. This motorcycle produces over 300 horsepower and entered the Guinness Book of World Records as the most powerful production motorcycle in the world. When you start it up, you don't hear a roar. You hear the whine of a turbine about to take off. Its top speed comfortably exceeds 350 kilometers per hour, putting it in a category all its own. It doesn't compete with other motorcycles. It competes with light aircraft. That said, a beast like this comes with a price tag to match its legend, starting at over $175,000 per unit. Each one is essentially handmade. The MTT Turbine Superbike is about as close as you'll ever get to piloting a fighter jet with 2 wheels. Pure adrenaline wrapped in metal. Number 4. Gunbus 41. Oh, now we completely change philosophy. Forget about speed and aerodynamics, because the Gunbus 410 is all about one thing: being massive. It's officially the biggest motorcycle in the world. This colossal German machine runs a two-cylinder engine of nearly 6.7 liters, a figure many family cars wouldn't even dream of approaching. In fact, its name, 410, refers to its 410 cubic inches of displacement. An absolute outrage. It measures over 3.5 meters long and weighs around 600 kilos, with wheels so enormous that an adult barely reaches the handlebars. Climbing onto it is like riding on the back of a steel elephant. Despite its enormous size, it's fully functional and street legal. Imagine people's faces watching such a monster roll by. The Gunbus 410 isn't trying to win races or break records. It's after something much simpler and much harder, making sure you can't take your eyes off it. Number 3. Paraves Monotracer. We enter the podium with one of the strangest and most brilliant machines ever created. The Paraves Monotracer is part motorcycle, part car, part spaceship. And yes, I know that's 3 parts. Once you see it, you'll understand. This Swiss gem encloses the rider inside a sealed aerodynamic cabin, protecting them from wind, rain, and cold as if it were a small aircraft. Inside, you sit comfortable and sheltered. From the outside, it's still a two-wheeled motorcycle. And how does it avoid tipping over when it stops? Here's the trick. As it slows down, it automatically deploys 2 small side wheels, like stabilizers, which retract again as it accelerates. Its design is so efficient that an electric version of this machine went on to win a prestigious International Innovation Award, proving you can go fast while using very little energy. The Monotracer is proof that the future of mobility doesn't have to look anything like what we already know. It's strange, it's brilliant, and it works. Number 2. BMW Vision Next 100. Almost at the top, we find a vision of the future so advanced you don't even need a helmet to ride it. The BMW Motorrad Vision. Next 100 was designed for a world that hasn't arrived yet. This gorgeous, sleek black beast looks like a time traveler from the year 2130. Its most mind-blowing feature is that it balances completely on its own, both moving and standing still. It's physically impossible for it to fall over, instantly eliminating every rider's biggest fear. But there's more. Its frame, called flex frame, changes shape as you ride, bending into corners with no need for traditional joints. It's as if the motorcycle were alive, breathing along with you. And since it balances itself, BMW did away with the helmet altogether, replacing it with smart glasses that project all the information right in front of your eyes. Number 1. Uno 3. And we arrive at number 1 with something that's going to completely rewrite what you thought was possible. The Uno 3 doesn't just ride, it transforms right before your eyes. This incredible machine, created by young inventor Ben Gulak, hides a trick that feels like pure magic. In its compact mode, its 2 wheels sit side by side, turning it into a tiny vehicle, perfect for getting through crowded cities and impossible gaps. It balances itself thanks to a gyroscope system, like a Segway taken to the extreme. But when you accelerate and need speed, the magic happens. A 3rd wheel deploys from behind and the machine automatically stretches out, transforming into a real motorcycle right before your disbelieving eyes. Electric, silent, and impossible to tip over, the Uno 3 solves 2 problems at once: agility in the city and stability at high speed. The world of motorcycles has evolved into something truly extraordinary. From beasts with helicopter engines to machines that transform, balance themselves, or take off straight from the ground, these 8 motorcycles prove that we're no longer talking about simple vehicles, but genuine works of futuristic engineering. So tell me, which of these motorcycles impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if these machines left you speechless, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.